The year was 1995. The Bosnian War came to an end at a time when most of our lives had just begun. Over 100,000 human beings were tortured, raped, and killed in the 3-year war, marking the worst case of human atrocity since Hitler and World War II. In 2008, former Bosnian Serbian leader Radovan Karadzic was captured and transferred here to the International Criminal Tribunal at The Hague in the Netherlands. Karadzic has been defending himself for the past 2 years during his 6-year trial, which reached closing arguments October 1st, 2014. Prosecutors are seeking the maximum penalty for Karadzic, which means life imprisonment. Prosecutor Alan Teeger stated to ICTY judges that, after hundreds of witnesses, 80,000 pages of transcripts, and 10,000 exhibits, the policy of ethnic cleansing is finally exposed, and Karadzic was its driving force. Karadzic acknowledges the acts of violence, but denies it being intent of genocide.
This degree of falsifying facts, such bastardized sentences where only portions of sentences given in response are being taken into account. Now, why did I do all of this? If I'm crazy, then the trial chamber has to see whether I am responsible for my actions. If I'm crazy, are 1.5 million Serbs crazy?
161 individuals, including Radovan Karadzic, have been indicted for crimes listed here on the ICTY website. But the question of relevancy to younger generations remains. Why should millennials care, and what does this mean for the future of international human rights?
Well, I don't think you can really understand where you're going unless you understand where you've come from. I know myself personally, I come from a really small country, New Zealand, and these issues seem quite insulated and quite far away.
I think all of us should, the youth more specifically, should be involved in pushing and making sure that people are actually held accountable for their actions.
Verdict of the Karadzic trial will be announced in mid-2015, and until then, the lives of the 100,000 that perished in the Serbo-Bosnian War will lie in the hands of the ICTY. Erielle Delzer, AUP 7 News.